Many of my patients say to me, Dr. Rosenberg, I don't have cancer as far as I know now. What can I do to minimize my chances of getting cancer? Well, number one, as we've talked about before, stay as lean as you possibly can. Cut your calories as much as you can stand. And not only because less food intake, as we talked about, will stimulate genes that increase longevity. The less food you take in, the less toxins. Number two, you want to stick with organic foods as much as possible. Once again, minimize those toxins. What about water? Well, a lot of our water is contaminated. And even when you get the bottled water, it may be the best bottled water. If it's in a plastic bottle, well, then you're at risk for increased bisphenol A or BPA. So get yourself a good filter at home where you can carry your own filtered water. And if you're going to have to carry it around with you, unfortunately, you can't use plastic bottles. You can get glass bottles. What else can you do? Exercise. Daily exercise is very, very important. What else? Well, another thing that I tell my patients, which not a lot of people out there realize, is oxygen can be very helpful. And specifically what I'm talking about is hyperbaric oxygen therapy. You may have heard that many of the professional athletes are using hyperbaric oxygen chambers. Well, what that does is it perfuses oxygen or sends oxygen throughout the body. And the exciting thing about that is realize that as we age, our tissues are getting less and less oxygenated. And many cancers are associated with decreased oxygen. So I tell my patients to even consider getting a portable hyperbaric oxygen chamber. And we'll do another talk where we'll talk specifically about the benefits of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. And the final point that I tell my patients is to detox. And when I talk about detox, cleaning out the GI tract. And there are many different ways to do that. You can do that by taking various supplements. You can fast. But even consider getting a far infrared sauna where you get to sweat out a lot of the toxins. So in summary, you want to clean your system out as much as possible, and you want to expose yourself as little as possible to all these toxins. This has been Dr. Mark Rosenberg talking about cancer and cancer prevention. Thank you.